What is this? Is it a phone?
Yeah, Bart Simpson phone.
For the 3DS, they're in there. I already checked for you.
Gotcha. What is this? If I buy all three, what's the best you think you can do for the three? Leo. What's up, man?
I do.
Good to see you, brother.
You too, man.
Yes, sir.
It's hot today, bro.
Oh, it's crazy hot.
Any more horror VHS?
Yeah, you missed out. I had some good ones, the horror ones that they sold this morning.
Gotcha. I was gonna message you to tell you to bring some today too, and I totally forgot.
To be honest with you, I have a bundle at the house. I'll bring them next time. Maybe if you're here,
Okay.
you come out. I'll let you get first dibs on them.
Cool. What is this? Is it a phone?
Yeah, Bart Simpson phone.
How is it? Where's it?
The thing opens up. Yeah, I got the key to leave it open. I guess that swings open and gets you talk. I did.
Oh my gosh. What do you have on that?
Huh?
Oh, it's so bizarre.
I got these too. I don't know if you're interested
Oh
in
yeah,
these.
those are cards.
I got this one's pretty cool.
Oh, Little Mermaid?
Yeah.
What do you have on that one?
For you, I can 25 on it. It sells for some really good money.
Oh, WCW cards? I've been looking for a sealed box of these.
I had one. We just sold it.
You had one?
Yeah, we just sold it today.
Do you have any other sealed boxes of cards?
That was the last one.
What'd you sell it for?
I got 50 out of it. But for you, I probably would have done like 30.
Yeah. Pass on that one.
Yeah, it's hard to find.
Yeah, I found the other ones. It's new, right?
Oh yeah, it's new.
That's a cool
It's heavy
piece.
as hell,
I know.
too. That tells me that it's quality made.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Would you do? You had 25 and 10. Would you do 20? Actually, would you do 30 for the pair?
Yeah, for you, absolutely.
That Simpsons phone's just weird. I gotta buy it, man.
I've had a bunch of people interested. They pick it up and they tell their partner, "Oh, do you want to get it?" I'll have it.
Yeah, you always take care of me, man. So.
Thank you, man.
No, thank you, man.
I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll probably put it in my man cave for a little bit, and then I'll just throw it on whatnot later on.
The same stuff, man. I do the same stuff. I look at it for a while, then I'm like, okay, I'm done with you. That Seiko, this right here thing.
Yeah, these are cool. I have one of these at the house actually.
Yeah.
Not the exact one, but a Christmas one.
Yeah.
They usually. What do you have on this one?
I had 50 on it, but I'd go.
Yeah, they usually sell for like $100.
Yeah,
some in the
that's what I'm
ballpark.
saying. I would do 40 for you, man.
Yeah,
If you're
I have one at the house. I haven't even listed yet, so.
This
See
is
what
pretty,
else we
this,
got.
what's really interesting is this.
The Buck
That right
Rogers
there.
Starfire.
Yeah, they got them going in there for about $400 or $500, bro. I'm asking $250 for it.
Yeah, that's a cool piece. Look at beer cans. Penny at noon. Some old wrestling figures there. Big John Stud. What's this? Big John Stud.
Okay, I'll do him.
Hey, bro. Terminator.
I'll sell this guy.
Those are cool.
Get that. So you're getting you another pile in there, right? Yeah,
Son of
whatever's
Zorn.
in
Who the hell is
there,
Zorn?
Right. And we'll figure it out from there. Whatever's on him, half price. Whatever's on him, half price. Going out of business. Don't
Going
wanna
out of
pack this
business.
shit. Yeah, I don't want to pack it. This is the last hurrah for me. Too damn hot, man. Too old for this shit. I'd rather drive a motorcycle all day.
This is cool.
$10.
$10. So that means $5?
$5. Take it.
All right.
How about that? It's a $45 piece. I just wanted to let you know I know what shit's worth. I just don't give a shit. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
There's your change, sir. There's a 5, and there's a 10. Thank you.
How much the rest of your booth?
Oh shit, I don't know. That'd be hard. This morning, the guy asked me. I told him to give me $2,500 to pull his truck off, and he was like, "Oh man." He said, "Here, take my name and number." I said, "Look, whatever I got left at the end of the day, I'll call you. You can buy the rest of it."
There you go.
You know, go get your truck. He said, "I'm in my Tesla," so I know he got the freaking money. 'Cause I can't afford no battery-powered Tesla.
Yeah. Are these sealed?
They are sealed packs inside there, and it's not a full carton, but it does say on there how many packs are in it.
31. Do you have
31.
any other sealed
No,
cards?
that's the only one I got
What do you
left.
ask for that?
I'll do $20 on it.
20 bucks,
It's
man?
well worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I had Back to the Future and 2 others too.
What do you got in your What is it, alien fish? Oh, okay, price. What's
Yeah,
this?
they're priced out, and they're kind of. I can come back down to like $30 because that's
Okay.
what they
Yeah,
are in the
yeah.
store, but I can't go.
Yeah, I got you.
I'd pack that and keep it.
Yeah, I hear.
But on the Godzillas, I can do half prices on them.
Okay.
On these two, do half price on that.
I can't pass that up for 20, man.
I
Thank you, man.
understand, yeah. Again, I'm going out of business, so I don't want it. And like I said, we can figure it out. Oh yeah, that's the whole thing I ain't even opened.
He'll be 9.
See, there's always more, man. There's always.
I know.
Yeah, you're
Oh my
welcome
gosh.
to kind of dig around and look, man.
All right.
Ain't no telling.
What is this?
I don't know, just some crazy shit. $5, he's yours.
I don't even.
I mean, just like I say, this is all brand new shit. Old Star Treks. Good ones. I mean, the only good Star Trek that it is.
And you guys just remember, if my phone says
That you have 35 on it.
Yeah, give it $15 for both of them.
$15 for both of them.
Yeah,
it's over DD.
that's 10 for him and 5 for the people. Both of them. You need a bag?
Just yeah, let's see what else you got, maybe.
All right, just put it there and we know it's $15.
Let's see what else.
We'll
It's
call that
cool.
$20.
Let me see what else you got. I'm gonna keep looking.
You keep looking. I'll keep adding.
Make a deal for it. All right.
All right.
These 4 right here, sir.
All right, those 4 right there. We're just gonna call you $20.
All right, you know what? That's just what I was thinking. So, how much you got in these guys? What's the best you got in your Godzillas?
I cut them in half. That'd be
Okay.
25. That one would be 30. And that one would be 20. And that one would be 30. These are movie releases.
Yeah,
This one's the newest one, though.
20 for those.
You got it. You need a bag. You got your car.
I got my cart. If I buy all 3, what's the best you think you can do for the 3?
Oh, let's see. 60, that'd be 30. 40 be 20. It's 50. Yeah, 25 be 75. I'll do $60 on all 3.
Boom. What do you?
I'll do 25 on him.
Where's it nicked down? Oh, I see you
This
right
little
here.
paint nicks
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Gotcha.
Played with.
Yeah. All right, so $60 in the Godzillas. I would do that, man. Thank you,
All
man.
right. Thank you.
Appreciate you working with me today, man.
Yeah, ain't no problem. Like I say, I'm going out of business is the way to go.
I recognize him, I just don't know.
How much are the bags?
It's $1.
$1? Yeah. How much is for this one? An eye out for these McDonald's change bowls. If you guys see my previous flea market video, we picked up a bunch of these and sold them off. You can usually sell the sets between 30 and 40 bucks. So that's $1, and then these are $4.
Yeah.
There you go, ma'am.
Thanks, love.
Thank you. What's up, man? Oh, what's up, bro?
Signed by the golfer. They've been a bunch of these around. I've seen, usually they're signed by the artists. Got a bunch of little Disney trinkets if you're interested. Like some figurines in between.
Okay.
All mixed in. I'll work with you.
Yeah, oh look. Hey, that's my stuff, man.
Homie!
Hey,
Yo!
that's my stuff.
Don't go through people's carts, dude. You didn't take it.
No.
No, no.
Bro, it happens all the time.
Seriously.
Every time we come.
You're a roving salesman?
I don't know.
You're a roving salesman?
What's up, man? I don't get it, bro. People just come over. Dude, they shut my cart every time I come. I could be standing there. I could be in line in the bathroom. The people be going through my cart. Reach underneath the stall, grabbing shit out. Like, I don't get it.
It's like a... I don't know if
I hated doing that because you want to leave it as is. Yeah, it'll
How much are these?
20.
20 each?
Yep.
How much are the cars?
The models are 10 each, 3 for 25, or 4 for 30.
Okay.
Okay.
I like texting, is that alright? Okay. Yeah, across anything.
What was the prices on the models?
They're 10 each. I'm given the pricing next like.
That's cool.
I like all sorts of stuff. I'm never know prices and it's so good.
What do you have on Ralphie?
$10.
$10.
You look familiar. You're on YouTube.
I am, yes. Yeah. Picking and punching.
That's right. I know I've seen you.
8 each, Dave. Probably.
Dave, I know. Yeah. Where's he today?
His daughter's birthday is actually
He
today.
missed out. I brought all his plushies for him.
Oh,
I
yeah.
sold about 200 of them today.
Wow. How much is the Haunted Mansion plush? Not plush, Funko Pop?
$10.
$10, huh?
I'm putting good price. I'm getting ready to
Yeah.
see my extra shit.
Oh, that Ghost Rider's freaking cool.
Yeah, he's been the talk of the town today.
He's
I had
just
to put
big.
a price tag out of him because he's been everyone's ass. I'm not, probably been 100 people have asked about it.
Yeah, I believe it. It's a cool piece. All right, man. Good luck on the rest of your sale.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Yep. How you doing today, sir?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. Interesting. Matchbox. Black Diamond BJs. Game of Thrones. Walked right by these. How much you have on these?
They're 200 online. I'm doing 70 on a pair.
70 a pair.
Be very careful buying Disney Lennox figures. They look to be really expensive, but a lot of times for resale purposes, they don't bring as much money as you think. On my way home from the flea market, we actually found this awesome yard sale stuff at, so check this out.
How you guys doing today?
Yeah, because those these are so fragile. Yeah, did you not
These
want
yours?
that? Okay, I'll put that. Call me, I'll bring them up.
All right. Here. Yeah, no problem, man. Do you have any like sports cards or video game stuff at all? Comic books?
That, no.
No.
I have some comic books in the house. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you.
Batman. So keep an eye out for cycling shoes. Use those for like a Peloton or a cycle bike.
Games and a bunch of comic books. They're out of order.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then I have these games.
All right.
Those are for the 3DS. They're in there. I already checked for you.
Gotcha. You guys have any? How much were you looking for?
Like, is 7 fine for them? I don't play them anymore. I just want them.
I don't know what's going on, but this is like the third time now I've been to the flea market and someone's tried to go through my cart that I'm pulling around. There's no way anyone could think that that's part of the stand. I mean, it's just a cart sitting there out in the open. Why would you walk up and go through someone's cart? I would never do that to anyone. Anyway, we got some crazy deals on those toys. The guy was going out of business. I wish I would have got there earlier because he probably had a lot of good deals. When I was walking up to his table, I saw people leaving with carts full of stuff that I've seen, the previous months coming through the stand. So they probably got some really good deals. So wish I would have got there sooner, but you just never know. When you go to the flea market, this is the biggest flea market in Florida, and you just don't know where to start and where to keep going sometimes. So, but hey, we did really good. Those Godzilla figures are going to make us some good money. All the other figures. I mean, we spent a total. I got the box of Hearing the Henderson cards. I got those Godzilla cards. That was $80, and then I got the other stuff for $25. So I spent roughly a little over $100, and we should make probably $400 to $500 off that. So thank you guys for all your support. Make sure you guys do hit that like and subscribe button because it really does help the channel. Till next time, guys. Make sure you guys keep picking and punching.